Niagara Falls, Canada's Wonderland, Cup and Saucer, Manitoulin Island, Rotary Trail Park, Toronto Zoo, Task Tulip Festival, CN Tower, Ripley's Aquarium, Toronto Subway, and many more. Walk and explore Ontario, Canada with Lucille's Hive.
It smells like someone farted.
Huh?
Like someone farted. That smell is what is God's fart.
I don't think we're going on the
Downtown Toronto, the main central business district of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Located entirely within the district of Old Toronto, it is approximately 16.6 square kilometers in area.
Malakas ang hangin, galing tayo.
There's a lot of things to do in downtown Toronto. From major cultural institutions like Toronto's Royal Ontario Museum to beloved sports teams like the Raptors and the Maple Leafs, from stunning parks and beaches to iconic architecture like the CN Tower. It's hard to narrow down the top things to do in Toronto when there are so many world-class attractions. Whether you're visiting the city for a day or a week, whether it's your first time in Canada or you're a local exploring home on a staycation, there are a lot of things to check off your Toronto bucket list any time of year.
That's too much.
Yeah, you know what? It's worth it. All of
It's
this.
not your money.
It is my money.
Yeah, but you said you just...
I didn't use the 50.
Oh.
No, because me and Seth were walking and it was just there. No one around us, no one was there. Plus it was like covered by dirt.
Yeah?
So it looked like it was there for a long time. Oh, are they there for the baseball game?
Bremner Boulevard.
I think they're there for the baseball game.
Oh.
I mean, do you not just see how many Blue Jays are walking by right now? I have a hunch they're going to see.
I have a hunch that they're going to see the Jays game.
Yeah.
First time out. They're down like 10-0 and there's a way.
Ano yun? Gagalaw yung camera ko. Dito kayo sa kabila. Mauna tayo. Selling water.
Selling ano?
Tubig. Parang sa atin pa.
$1 water. $1 scoop. $1 water.
Ang lamig eh. Dapat kanina.
Daming gwapo dito. No, you're not. Where? Go this way now? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Go then go here now.
Wow, Forrest, look. This is God. Whoa. Look how tall it is.
Gawa na siguro sila dyan yung mamas.
Layo to sa kanila.
Malayo na.
There's a huge, lot of people.
Umiwas sa tao.
Dati, abi, oh. Lakad natin ito, mga isinan ng mga ito.
So go this way?
That's the bridge. So we gotta go over there.
Yeah.
York Street.
So bumaba?
Please don't talk to me. I will try not to.
First, go grab an
I
electric
thought it was
bike.
only like and the cheapest too.
First, go grab an electric bike.
Oh, is those electric bike things? Yeah, just say you'll pay later.
Malamig pati.
Mine is free.
Gabi lang.
Front Street West.
Nanay too.
Mom,
Ah,
I know where I got my sickness from.
what did he say?
Remember around 10 when we were driving, when you're coughing like crazy? Maybe you spread it to me. Want it back?
Huh?
Want it back?
See if you want to keep going.
Yeah, where's your tickets? So you guys have your tickets? You guys still have your tickets?
No, she had that.
You guys still have your tickets?
Yep. Everything's in my car.
Your ticket, guys.
Members after 12, eh?
No, I was wondering if you're like any valuables with you. Those items could not throw it.
Hey, look, a guy. My truck can't even fit in there.
Yeah.
Hindi ko, nasa na yung mag-ama? Iniwan na tayo.
Union Station.
Boo! Did I scare you?
No.
I bet I did.
Lola needs to go pee.
Yeah, this is what we're trying to find.
I thought that cushion would blow it.
What?
Thanks for watching. To watch more, subscribe. Brusel's Hive Walking Tour Road Trip.